Hello everybody, welcome back to another Disco Watchico video. Today I'll be playing a game that I am probably very late to, probably came out 7 years ago or something. It's called Subway Surfers. Let's play and see if I don't die. Okay, let's do this. Oh, what's up guy? What's up guy? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's continue. Resume. I accidentally died on the last thing, so I had to restart. Jump, boop, jump. Ah! Don't mind that. I was trying to say something. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe for more games like this. I'm definitely gonna do more. Even if y'all don't like put the video. I love doing these games for y'all. It's really fun. And just tell me if y'all want me to do any other games that are on mobile. Almost said. Like, just tell me in the comments on this video what other games I should do on mobile. This way, this way. Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Jake. Who are these people? Is Jake the person I'm playing as? Like I said, I forgot most of the game mechanics, but I know how to play. Because, like, I played this, like, when I was, like, what? 6, 7, 5. I don't know. Oh, wait, what? Is that giving me coins? That gave me coins. Hey, where'd it go? I don't care. Oh, I guess it goes away after a certain amount of time. Itch. Ow. Guys, I have a question. In the comments, tell me what game I should play. I don't know. My earbud. My earbud is going out. No! My earpod. Oh my gosh, did y'all see that? No! Oh my gosh, it's so intense. What is this? Oh, I want that. What is this? What is it? Oh my gosh! What am I doing? I forgot some of the game mechanics. No! Anyways, let's just not mind that. Anyway. I'll continue with Thunder Coin. I can continue, but as long as it's not with the ad. You know what? Forget I can use the ad. No, why wouldn't I freaking move? I'm a freaking idiot. Now I only have one thing. Great. I didn't get much coins from that. Anyways. Stay away from me. Okay. Wait, watch that. I want to continue. I had to restart the whole game. Luckily, I didn't lose any progress because that thing was scaring me. Not scaring me, scamming me, sorry. It scammed me, it didn't let me do it, and I almost broke my phone. Not my phone, I almost broke my game. So I had to restart the thing. Luckily, I didn't have to delete it and download it over again. Never trust that stuffs. Oh my gosh, it comes right through the wall, that's creeps. Don't mind me just jamming F&F music over here. Boom, boom. If you have seen my other videos, you know I actually have my own OC. Her name is Chris. Boom. Whoa, I could go on top of here? Wait, what? That is so cool. Boom, 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 boom. Dang, this guy can jump far. It's like boop, 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 boop. Okay. Who is going to bet that when I resume this game, I'm gonna die. Me. Jump! Oh, I didn't die. Wow, queen. No! But at this moment, that Disco Gotcha girl knew. She flipped up. I just call her Disco from now on. My OC in Gotcha Club. My OC name is Disco. Y'all know the like mascot for this channel, I guess. And that's Disco. What if Chris replaces her? No, she won't. Chris is a good OC character that I have. But Chris will never, ever replace Disco. Why did he come after me? I didn't do anything. Ah! Oh, that was really close. Boop, 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 boop. I become boyfriend for friend. Freaking. This is how my OC Chris sounds. Nope, not even doing that here. Wow, 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 wow. Wait, what's up? That was not cow. Okay. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to end the video. Or, yeah, actually, no, wait, no. Not yet. I'm gonna see if I can get any cactus. Can I get her? No, not yet. For her, don't you? Yeah, you have to like collect caps. For him, you have to collect the beat boxes. For him, you have to collect 200 of those. Wow. The main people of this are you, and you, which I already have. Wait, he has another. Free. I like dark outfit. I'm getting it. You got the dark outfit. Yo, I love it. Brr. Brr. Well, selected. Checkerboard. Wait, what? Okay. Guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you have a great day, great afternoon, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Bye, guys.